Dear Mayor Daley, as a taxpayer and a voter in the city of Chicago, I am outraged that the renewed threat to the already sparse mental health services in our city, closing clinics, is dangerous, irresponsible, unnecessary, and immoral. In April, you committed to keep the 4 Southside mental health clinics threatened with closure open, and your staff committed to continue working with patients, advocates, and workers towards this goal. City Council appropriated $2.5 million in stimulus funds to hire the necessary staff to keep our clinics sustainable. In the 4 months that passed since that day, only 4 people have been rehired, and though the city finally fixed the billing errors that caused the mess in the first place, billing still fell short by $3 million. As advocates explained to your chief of staff, closing clinics will not save the city money because the patients who fall through the cracks will cost the city, county, and state far more money when they show up at emergency rooms, jails, and morgues. 1 in 4 people suffer from some degree of mental illness, and as the economy worsens, it is only becoming more prevalent. The chronically mentally ill, in particular, have nowhere else to turn, as both private and public services are shutting down. Providing quality services to the mentally ill is the responsibility of government and a necessity for strong communities. Nearly every family has somebody with some form of mental illness. If you can come up with hundreds of millions of dollars to cover the potential cost of the Olympic bid, I am sure you can come up with a couple of $1 million to save our clinics. I pay taxes, I vote, I want my taxes used to help out those who most need them. I urge you to do everything in your power as mayor of the city of Chicago to save our clinics and show that Chicago cares about its most vulnerable residents. Sincerely. And these are the people that live here in this city.
And here's the cover letter.
And this is the cover letter that we'd like him to read.
Great.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
They don't want to help the people that really need help. They need to sit up there and do what's right. If they don't, it's going to be a lot of mess going on. There'll be a lot of killing, a lot of stealing. There'll be a lot of people hurt, shot, and killed, and everything. People laying in the park, mental health people, and everything. They're going to wind up hurting innocent people if they close these clinics. Especially on the south side in our neighborhood, there's going to be a whole lot of mess going on. They're already shooting and killing over there, so just imagine it's going to be even more than that. Y'all about to keep our clinics open. We are not playing.